Traders Brian here with A Plus Setups. It is Tuesday, June 30th, 2026, and it's time for the live session trade recap. We're off to a good start for the week. Another good week off, and we had 3 wins today, no losses. 3 wins yesterday, no losses. So let's jump in and see how we did it. All right, right off the bat here, let's see what we have. All right, you can see here at about 9:39 Eastern time, we had our first setup. So it was a triple focus divergence from the extreme. That's the framework trade. You know, we let the framework trade give us the reason to look for a trade, tell us when to look, and then we just pull one of our setups off the shelf, which is already baked into our software. So this right-hand chart, this has our setup software running. You can see the signals, has lots of signals. Majority, just in fact, every one of them here were winning scalp trades. But I'm only interested in the ones where the framework tells me when to look. So that's what happened here. Triple focus divergence setup led to, sorry about that, led to this trade right here, which was, we got the, actually we entered right here, had a little bit of took a little bit of heat. Our stop is up here and flushed down for the win. So this was just a jiggle setup, our shallow pullback entry technique after a triple focus divergence. All right, let's look at trade setup number 2. Now you can see the market is all over the place. There are oodles and oodles and oodles of setups. But again, you know, I try to be patient and just wait for the framework to give me what I'm looking for. Now, this is one setup right here, a beautiful triple focus divergence, and I just happened to be looking away. You can see over on the setup chart here, it was a verifiable jiggle. There's our software arrow, but for a split second, I was looking away from the screen and missed it. However, we dumped back below this 360 level, which also coincided with the 1 standard deviation upper edge right here. So those two were providing some pretty good boundaries to trade against. So we hit it once, we came down, we flushed again, and combined with something new that we're working on, a timing window, we're calling it the alpha timing window. It flashed in this area here, coincided with this resistance. So we took that trade right up there, the short setup. It turned into be a reverse mullet. You can see the dot there. That was the signal. That tells me whenever we have different profiles for each of our categorized setups. So some of these differ in when we enter. That's what the profile is telling us. All right, that's trade number 2. Now, I did get this divergence. So we had another triple focus divergence. And I did scoop this one up. You can see higher prices, lower triple focus. We're coming from an extreme. So it's just a matter of the market is telling us, giving us the reason to look for a short. It's telling us when to look for a short on the back side of this. And we get another beautiful shallow pullback jiggle entry for a very nice scalp trade. And again, I'm only trading one contract in this account over here. So there's no runners. There's no second take profits. It's just the first take profit inside of what we call our sweet spot. All right, that's it for today. Again, summary, Monday, 3 wins, no losses. Today, Tuesday, 3 wins, no losses. Let's see if we can keep this going. But as always, we're just going to take what the market gives us, take our shot, and be okay with it. Hey, good luck in all your trading. Let us know if we can help you in any way. Have a good one.